Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to check your graphics card on Windows laptop. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows PC. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply right click on your Windows PC. Having a right click on your Windows PC, then you have to make sure you choose NVIDIA Control Panel. So click on that. Then you'll get into this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to the top right here, click on App. Then from App, what you need to do is to navigate to System Information. Then just like so, this is going to pump up. Now this is where you will see all the graphics card about your system. What you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then where you have total available graphics right here is also known as the total graphics card that you have on your PC. So basically, this is how to know the graphics card total on your Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.